equations using addition or subtraction. So you'll notice on our first problem we have x plus 7 equals 9. So in order to isolate the x, we need to undo adding 7. So to undo adding 7, we need to use the inverse operation of addition, which of course is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 7 on the left side and subtract 7 on the right side in order to keep everything balanced. So when I subtract, I want to verify, do I really have a 0 there? And yes, a positive 7 and a negative 7 equals 0. So I simplify to x equals 9 and negative 7, or 9 minus 7 is 2. We're going to check that quickly. If I substitute 2 in for x, 2 plus 7 equals 9, so I know that it checks. On our second problem, you'll notice that I'm adding my constant first. So 10 plus y equals 4. Again, notice we're undoing addition. So in order to undo addition, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 10, or another way of thinking of this is to add a negative 10. So I'm going to add a negative 10, and to the other side I'm going to add a negative 10. So again, I'm going to verify, did I really create a 0? 10 plus a negative 10 is 0. So when I simplify, I have y is equal to, on the right side, 4 plus negative 10, negative 6. So we're going to go ahead and check that again. 10 plus negative 6 is, in fact, 4. So I have the correct answer. On our third problem, we're subtracting. So I have q minus 5 equals 12. So to isolate q, I need to undo subtracting 5. So to undo subtracting 5, I want to add 5 to the left side and add 5 to the right side. Verify, negative 5 plus 5, in fact, is a 0. So I have q equals 12 plus 5, which is 17. And again, I want to verify that, so I mentally go 17 minus 5, which is 12, so it in fact does check. And our last example we're going to do is 7 equals negative 38 plus p. So again, my operation is addition, so I want to undo addition, so I'm going to subtract. I'd be subtracting a negative 38. So if I think over here, I'm going to think, subtract a negative 38. Well, that's really adding 38. So to undo adding a negative 38, I'm going to add 38. So I want to add 38 on the right side, add 38 on the left side. 38 plus 7 is 45. Equals, again, we want to verify, negative 38 plus 38 would make 0. 0 plus p is p. So I have my answer, and now I want to check it. Would negative 38 plus 45, be 7? And if I go over here, 45, and I'm subtracting 38, regroup, and I see that I in fact do get 7, so that will work. If you would like to watch another tutorial, go to ClassZone.com, at Home Tutor, and go to Chapter 3, Lesson 1. And that's how we solve equations using addition and subtraction. Hope this was helpful.